Hello everyone! Finally getting caught up. Alright. March Happy Mail haul, aka everything that showed up in my P.O. box in the month of March. If you've never seen these videos before, you're new, all the info is in the description box below as well as on my blog. I'll link to it, you know. All the info is there. So let's just hop right into it. This one is from Miranda F. in Great Britain. She always makes like really large cards compared to our standard like A2 sized, which is always, I love non-traditional to me because I pretty much stick with A2 sized. So even like 4-bar, larger, anything, it's like, oh, that's different. So yeah, got some shimmery splatter in here. I really like the whole like scene in silhouette like that. Just, it is. Yeah. Very spring. All these cards just have me just, yes, yes. So I have that one. And then this one from Ruth. This wasn't part of the Happy Mail haul, but I've said this before. I show everything that just shows up in the P.O. box, whether it's like sent separately or whether it was sent specifically for the Happy Mail, etc. So this is a thank you card. She was actually one of my giveaway winners a while ago. And then no one has to, and again, no one has to send, you know, thank you cards and that. I like to do giveaways just for the sake of it, but I wanted to include it because it's just pretty. Like, it was meant more as a fall card, but it's still, I just like it. And I like the sparkly embossing powder used on the sentiment. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. So yeah, just pretty. So we've got that one. And then we have this square card from Sanna in Finland. Got pretty Prima flowers. I recognize this pattern paper. This is basic gray. I recognize, and I have it in a box. I remember this pattern paper. It's just funny, it just caught my eye. So yeah, really, really cute. Absolutely adorable. Love that one. This, it's kind of the theme really every month, but it always blows me away. So that was from, there was Finland, we had Great Britain, I think this was New York. This is from Australia, from Ellen in Australia. Really cute. Really cute. That's just adorable. So that one from Ellen in Australia. And then this one from Stephanie in Germany. I also included the envelope. I like when you guys decorate the envelope. It's cute. I like this idea of just doing like swatches of color where the address is. Like, cute. And then she stamped little bunnies along the bottom, which I also thought was just adorable. So yeah, just a fun little happy Easter card. I love the little enamel hearts for their tails. Brilliant touch. I did a video, it was either last year or the year before, using the bunnies from Simon, and I just added little, you know, the little cotton ball, whatever, tails. My brain isn't working today, but yeah, really cute. I love that little added extra, because bunny butts are like the cutest little things ever. It's so adorable. So that one. And this one is from Cindy in Quebec. So really, really cute. I immediately write on the little mama elephant, the little chicks. I love their little, I collect mama elephant stamps. I can't help it. But yeah, cute little spring / Easter card. I just think they're adorable. So much fun. So we got that. And then last but not least, this one showed up from Lena in Finland. So yeah, Finland, Quebec, Australia, Germany, Australia, Germany, another Finland, Great Britain, New York. That's crazy to me. Just crazy. So this showed up with a couple cards, some yummy chocolate, always not necessary. Chris and I do enjoy trying these like chocolate bars from other parts of the world. It's always interesting. So yeah, Rocky Road. I'm trying not, I was like, ooh, it's mushy. I bet there's more, yeah, marshmallow in there. Oh, it's cute little bunny. And then even like the inside of the box, you guys just, it's adorable. Like, you know, extra packaging. Anyway, Lena has sent in cards before, and I love how her and her friend each will use like similar supplies, and then they've been like participating and then sending in the cards, and it's just, I love it. I think that's so much fun. So this one's Lena's. Love the envelope. Just really, really cute. Look at the bunnies. Is that so, so cute? Like, isn't that adorable? So yeah, really fun shaker card. Love it. Love it. So that was hers. And then this is Peugeot. I always wonder if I'm like butchering the name. So also a square card using the same stamps. Oh, cute to do it on the frame. I never would have thought of that, to stamp those little characters and then just use that as your frame. Brilliant. And then another cute little shaker card, the eggs like shake. That's adorable. And then on the inside as well. That's really cute. You guys did an awesome job. And then like the envelope, of course, is all decorated as well. Little carrots. You guys all did such an amazing job. I love it. So that was the March Happy Mail haul. Like I said, all the info will be in the description box below. There's themes. I'm never a stickler on the themes just because things can take their sweet, sweet time showing up here. Huge thanks. I know I don't talk about it enough. I just don't like pimping it out. That's kind of how I see it in every single video. But huge thank you to my top tier patrons. Huge thank you to all my patrons. Some of these cards are actually, a couple of these are from patrons, which is always just really nice too. So there will be info on that if you have never heard of that either. There'll be a link as always. But yeah, huge thank you to my patrons. Huge thank you to you guys. For those that are watching, always leave some love in the comment section down below, or if you have questions or anything for those that sent in. No requirements. Like I said, we do the themes, but I'm not going to be I'm never a huge stickler. Like I said, I show everything that shows up regardless, because one, things can take their sweet time getting to me in Canada, and two, like, we all have to start somewhere. I've said this in other videos as well, because I do get comments about that, and I get it. I totally get it. It can be intimidating sometimes, like when you're just starting out or whatever. It can kind of get intimidating when you see someone's like this fabulous card. Like, there have been other card makers over the years where it's like I wanted to send them a card and I was like, oh, they'll think it's crap compared to what they make. So no, I get it. I get it. We all have to start somewhere though, and everyone has a different style. That's another reason why I love doing this every month. I love seeing other people's style and other people's ideas for things, you know, like the frame and etc. Things that I would not think of. Like, I would not have thought to do something like this. You know, I don't do a whole lot of silhouette stamping, and I wouldn't have thought to do silhouette in green. My habit would be to do it in black, but I love it in green, you know? So that's the whole point of it too, is to kind of see what other people are up to and creating. So that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Info, as always, is down below, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!